Wasps can and do get drunk from fermented juice, and it affects them in ways that are both comical and annoying, especially for humans nearby. Here's a clear breakdown of what happens, based on observed behavior and biology. Why wasps drink fermented juice in the first place? Adult wasps, especially common social species like yellow jackets in the genus Vespula, primarily feed on sugary liquids. In late summer and autumn, when the sugary spit produced by their larvae dries up and natural nectar sources become scarce, they turn to overripe or rotting fruit, fallen apples, or spilled sugary drinks. These ferment naturally via yeast, producing ethanol, alcohol, the same kind in beer or wine. Even a tiny amount from decaying fruit or a sip of cider is enough to affect them. What physically happens when they drink it? Intoxication sets in quickly. Wasps have a low tolerance for alcohol compared to some other animals. Ethanol disrupts their nervous system and motor control, just like in humans or other insects. Visible effects. They stagger, fly erratically, or crash into things, stumble around, or even fall over. They become disoriented and clumsy. People often describe them as barely able to fly or sprawling on the ground. Some appear befuddled or twitchy, with uncoordinated movements. This is why you see drunk wasps wobbling across picnic tables or pub gardens in late summer. Behavioral changes, the dangerous part. Increased aggression. Alcohol makes them irritable and fight. Why? Normally, wasps only sting when threatened, but intoxicated ones are far more likely to attack unprovoked. They're often called stingrage wasps or boozy wasps in warnings. They may fight each other, dive aggressively at people, or harass anything sweet, including your drink. This is a real issue in places like the UK, where experts issue annual alerts about drunk wasps causing more stings.
A scientific twist: not all wasps are lightweight drinkers. Most of the drunk and angry stories refer to common yellow jackets. However, certain hornets, a type of large social wasp, like the oriental hornet Vespa orientalis, have evolved remarkable alcohol tolerance. A 2024 study found they can survive and behave normally on a diet of up to 80% ethanol, that's stronger than most spirits. Metabolize alcohol extremely efficiently, far better than honeybees, which die quickly. Show no impairment in walking, flying, nest building, or aggression, thanks to extra copies of a key enzyme gene, alcohol dehydrogenase, and a symbiotic relationship with yeast. These hornets essentially treat fermented juice like an energy drink without the hangover. But for the everyday wasps most people encounter, even small sips cause the classic drunken chaos. Bottom line: fermented juice gives wasps a temporary buzz that impairs coordination and ramps up their aggression. They don't die from it, unlike some insects, but they become clumsy, unpredictable nuisances, which is why late summer encounters feel extra risky. If you're dealing with them, cover drinks and avoid swatting. It makes them more aggressive. In nature, it's just part of their search for sugar when times get tough.